Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm just making a really quick video for you guys to show you what I'm prepping for the week. I know it's been a while since I've done a prepping video, and it kind of shows all over my face, doesn't it? So, I think that when you are trying to change your lifestyle, that these things like prepping and getting things together for your week so that you have easy grab and go things is really, one of the crucial things that you need to do. When I quit prepping, I started gaining weight again. So I'm going to be prepared this week, and I wanted to kind of show you what I am making today so that you can see everything. So bear with me and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the first thing I'm going to show you. I have some bacon cut up. This is actually some thick cut bacon that I had. It was still in date, but it's been open a couple of weeks now. So what I decided to do was just cut it up into little pieces, and I'm going to brown it. And we can use this for salads, for cooked vegetables, for snacking, just a little something to pop in the mouth. So yeah, so I've got that, and I just turned it off because it looks like it's nice and golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the back, and I'm going to, once I'm done with the video, I'm going to drain this, and I'm going to save the bacon grease for cooking for my husband and daughter. And then in our oven, you can see we've got some chicken legs and chicken thighs. I just seasoned those today with some oregano and basil. I think that's it. So some of the other things that I prepped today, I've got 2 containers of celery sticks, 1 container of cucumbers, and then I've got 2 containers here, and those are red, yellow, and orange peppers. So I've prepped all those so that I can, just eat them with dip, or I can chop them up and put them in salads, or I can use them in cooking. So that's going to be a nice thing for today, for this week. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 salads prepped. So those will be easy grab and go. That should, get us going for a few days. I don't like to prep more than 6 salads at a time because sometimes they do start to get that rusty color. So I have the other half of those ingredients in my refrigerator for me to cook later this week, or cut up later this week. I also shredded up some cheddar cheese, and down here is some asparagus. And so I've just chopped the ends off those asparagus to fit them in there. And then I had asparagus for 2 reasons. First of all, later this week I'm going to wrap them with either bacon or turkey bacon and bake them in the oven as a nice side dish for one of our meals. And then also I used a little bit of it, and I actually made a quiche today. And this is the quiche that I made. And what it is it is asparagus and chicken breakfast sausage from Aldi, and eggs, and sorry about the angle, guys, eggs and cheddar cheese, and I also put some salt and some sage in there. So I've got 6 of those, so that will either do me all week, or it'll do me and my husband for a few days this week, and I think that will really get us going. And then the last thing I'm prepping today, over here I have started my butter in my little crock pot, and I'm going to make 1.5 pounds of ghee. And the reason I'm making 1.5 pounds is that's going to take me at least a couple of weeks to get through. And all I do is I put the sticks of butter in there. 4 of them are softened, or 2 of them are softened, and 4 of them are actually I just took out of the freezer and took the wrapping off of. I have my little crock set at high, and it'll probably cook a few hours until it gets that beautiful color that we like to see. And then I'll let it cool off. I'll pour it into a jar, and I'll have it to use throughout the week. I really love the flavor of ghee, and I use it on a lot of things. So that's my prepping for the week. I hope you liked this video. Like I said, it was a really quick one. Most of that stuff you guys already know how to do, and I've already done on other videos, so that's why I didn't show you. I will link to my quiche video, because I mean, in that video I say just play with it, have fun with it. And that's one of the reasons why I have the peppers cut up, because if I want to make later this week, I will saute some peppers up and maybe put in some turkey bacon and some cheddar or Swiss or something like that. But that's what I've got prepped for this week so far. I would like to know what you think of all my prepping, and what are you prepping this week to get prepared so that you can be successful. Have a good Sunday, everybody, and I will talk to you later.